Today, I'll be showing you how to make a DJ role with Rythm Music Bot. Start by clicking on the server title. Open the server settings. Go to the Roles tab. Create a new role. Name it DJ or whatever you'd like it to be called. Adjust its permissions as you'd like and give it a color. Save changes and close. You can give the user the DJ role by clicking on their name and then clicking on the plus icon. If the role is called DJ, then it should automatically work. However, you can add any role as a DJ role. Type !settings, space, then DJ role as one word. Send the message and the current DJ roles will be shown. Type !settings, space, DJ role, space, then the role name you want to add as a DJ. Send the message and the new role will have all of the DJ permissions.